trying to see if I can move. Fuck. Let me see. Yeah, let me, fuck. Okay, yeah.
Be careful, because this is where you and I slid out.
Okay.
This is where you and I slid out, so
Okay. Sorry, I just got PTSD from people driving off, so I'm just doing this.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's just dangerous. I know. Okay, love. Let me pull over right here, and then we'll figure this out.
Okay.
Fuck. Of course, I just got hit because of the fucking snow.